Seriously, don't skip this. Click the link in the description. You'll understand why everyone's talking about it. This product has been blowing up lately, and honestly, it makes total sense. You get incredibly smooth performance, a clean and solid design, and the best part is how effortless it is to use. I tried it thinking it would just be okay, but it turned out to be way above my expectations. If you've been looking for something reliable, simple, and actually worth your time, this is the one you've been waiting for. Go ahead, check the link below. You're going to be glad you did.